We will be extremely happy to help you. Press 6 to speak to support or press any other button to disconnect. Thank you.
Thank you for calling support. How can I help you?
Hello, is this the Microsoft support? I've your error warning on my computer. I think it's telling me to phone you.
What's the message?
The message, it says Windows has detected your system has been infected.
Sorry?
It says my Windows has been detected. It's got a virus, it said.
Get the card numbers.
My card number?
Yes.
What,
So that I can charge you $5,000.
$5,000?
You did a crime to call here.
I don't know what now?
I said that you did a crime to call us.
No, it says
And the
Google
penalty?
Chrome warning alert.
Penalty is $5,000.
Spyware/riskware.
Don't interrupt me.
Error OX8000.
Don't interrupt me.
Okay.
Don't interrupt your father.
You're very rude, you know. I'm trying to get my computer fixed because it's got.
Is it burning now?
I've got the pornographic spyware riskware.
I understand. Put the water on it.
Put water on it. What would that?
Hello?
You think you're funny, don't you? Like, you think you're a big man and that because you run around robbing people and taking their money. That's what you think you are. You think
Let's
you're
go
bad.
for the party.
Do you think
bro.
you're a bad man? Yeah, you think you're a bad man. That's what you do.
You know,
look at me. I'm all hard. I go
like
and people's money.
like you, there are so many pigs around my area. You know that?
Well, there's so many pigs.
Sorry?
What'd you say?
I said a pig like you. There are so many. Like between me, there are so many pigs in my area like you.
Oh right. Okay. So you're talking about yourself?
You are a pig.
Dude, I wouldn't talk about yourself in that way.
Enjoy the voice.
Yeah.
Is a pig voice? So
That's not a pig. That is nowhere near a pig. That's more like a bird. Fucking idiots, man.
I love my job. I hate other job. I have only one job.